Namaskar, sir. I am Sai Ganesh. My roll number is 191994. Here I am going to present Thevenin theorem in our presentation assignment. Thevenin theorem, according to the statement, if we see the statement says that the Thevenin theorem will convert the complex circuit into a simplified equivalent circuit. Or else we can also say that any linear bilateral network containing a voltage or current sources along with the resistances, they can be replaced by an equivalent voltage source along in series with the equivalent resistance in the across the terminals. Here we can see this is the complex circuit. This is converted into the simplified circuit. This is VTH. VTH is the short circuited voltage, which is also called as Thevenin voltage or equivalent voltage. This is RTH. This is called equivalent resistance. There are the two steps to solve this Thevenin circuits. First, we should remove the load resistance. If we think this is the load resistance, we should remove this load resistance and we should solve this circuit for finding VTH. And now for finding the RTH, that is the equivalent resistance, we should remove the sources. Here is the voltage sources are there. If we remove these voltage sources, after removing the voltage sources, we will have the circuit. In that circuit, we should find the equivalent resistance. And also, if we have the voltage source, it will be replaced by short circuit. And if we have a current source, it will be replaced by an open circuit. Here are three different cases in which we can use Thevenin theorem to solve the complex circuit into an equivalent circuit. Case 1, only independent sources. It may be a voltage source or it may be a current source. Case 2, we have both dependent and independent sources. Dependent sources will be represented like this. If this is an voltage source and this is a current source, or independent sources these. And also we have only independent sources. These are three cases. We have both independent, dependent and independent, and dependent sources in which we can use the Thevenin theorem to solve the circuits. And here are some examples for solving the cases. Case 1. Here we are solving only with independent sources. This is the example. Here we have voltage sources, resistances, and first step 1 is to solve the VTH. Remove the load resistance. After removing the load resistance, this will be with two sources both sides. This will be open A and B, 10, 10, 10, 20. Now by writing KVL in this circuit, this is the current flowing through the circuit, plus 10 minus 10I minus 10I minus 20 equals to 0. That is 20I will be equals to minus 10. I will be 0 minus 0.5. And here if we see the voltage across the two terminals A and B will be 10 minus 10I. 10 minus 10I, that equals to 10 minus 10 into minus of 0.5, that will be equals to 15 volts. This is VTH. VTH will be equals to 15 volts. And here step 2 is to find RTH. We said, as we said before, we should remove the sources and we should find the equivalent resistance here. That the circuit will be represented as this is one resistance, other resistance. Both are parallel, A and B. So the RTH will be equals to 10 into 10 by 10 plus 10. That is 0.5. Here the equivalent circuit, Thevenin equivalent circuit will be the voltages of 15 volts VTH, and we have 0.5 equivalent resistance. And here between the terminals we are going to add the removed load resistance 40 ohms. This is the thing what we have. VTH is 15 volts. This is the circuit, and we can find current I is equals to E by R, RTH plus RL. This is the thing. And here case 2 is both dependent and independent sources. Dependent and independent sources we should for VTH, for finding VTH, this is the VTH. We can apply the nodal analysis. We can combine both these two and we can take it as Vx. According to KCL, VTH will be found by Vx minus 5 by 2 plus Vx by 2 plus Vx by plus VTH equals to 0. Here we can also write it as Vx Vx and if we see, open the circuit and if we see that Vx minus Vth will be equals to 3 Vth. Vx will be equals to 4 Vth. The equation will be 4 Vth by 2 plus 4 Vth plus minus 5 by 2 plus Vth equals to 0. So 8 Vth minus 5 plus 2 Vth equals to 0. The Vth will be equals to 0.5. Step 2 is to find Rth. Rth we can find here by Vth by Isc. Isc is a short circuited current, and here if we we should short circuit these two terminals, as we should find between these two terminals the current. So we should short circuit this. If we short circuit this, the current flowing through this will be 0, so this will be short circuited, and this is Vth. This is dependent on this, so this is an independent source on this, so this will also be 0, and this will also be short circuited. So the circuit will be 5 volts plus 2 ohms. This is only the circuit what we have. Across this, we should find the short circuited current ISC, that is Vth. 5 by 2 equals to 2.5. So the Thevenin equivalent circuit will be of RTH is 2.5 and VTH is 0.5. Both 2.5 and 0.5. This is the Thevenin equivalent circuit, and we should find what else we want here. And case 3 is of having only dependent sources. Here we can solve it by adding testing voltage source or testing current source. This may be current, we can add current, or we can add voltage. The testing voltage and the testing voltage will be 1 volt and testing current will be 1 ampere. Here let us apply the testing current 1. The current flowing through this circuit is I1, so I1 will be equals to minus 1 because this is flowing in the opposite direction. This is flowing in the opposite direction, so I1 will be equals to minus 1. So this circuit through this is like this. Now R, finding R, that is equals to V by I, because we applied here I, so we should find VTH, that is enough. So by taking nodal analysis, VTH will be coming as VA by 4 plus VA minus 3I1, that will be plus 3, VA plus 3 by 6 minus 1 equals to 0. This is the thing. And the circuit will be, the circuit means the equation will be 3VA plus 2VA plus 6 equals to 12. VA equals to 12 minus 6 by 5, 6 by 5, that will be equals to 1.2 volt. This is the volt. And here RTH, for finding RTH, V by I. V by VA is VTH, that is equals to VTH. VTH by I. I is 1, VTH is 1.2. 1.2 by 1 equals to 1.2. Both are equal. So the equivalent Thevenin equivalent circuit will be E. This is the voltage source and this is the resistance. Both are 1.2 ohms and 1.2 volts. This is the circuits. This is Thevenin theorem. Thank you.